This is a sacrificial gear that I'm making. There's two of them actually. What I've done, I put the old gear, which is made out of some sort of a plastic. The stuff I'm using is Delrin. The angle is on the side, it's cut on the side. So what I've done, I've sharpened the tooth with this cutter to the shape of the form of the tooth. It's not proper gear cutting, but it'll give you some idea, and I think it's a good idea. It's a good enough method for what I need. This sacrificial gear is in the head of the machine here. It lays, there's a motor in here, and the shaft comes down here, and that sacrificial gear sits in here. Any undue forces on the shaft, hence the sacrificial gear teeth, shear off and don't cause any damage to the machine. This is so, but they're rather expensive when you buy them from the manufacturer. So I decided that I would have a go at making them myself out of Delrin. This is what I'm trying to do. Right, back to the gear. I've shaped the cutter to the same form as the tooth that I'm cutting. I've inclined the dividing head up a little bit to get the correct angle, and the gear that I'm cutting is a 37 tooth gear. On my dividing plate it's a 90:1 reduction dividing head. So using a 37 hole plate, we're going to go 2 full turns and 16. That will give you 16 holes. That will give you the correct placing of the teeth. So that is what I'm going to do. First of all, I take off the lock and take 2 full turns. 1, 2, and then 16 holes. Here we go. Put this round ready for the next time. Put the lock on. The cutter's now going to cut a new form. So here we go. Showing you that I must have missed one of the teeth, so I'm going to have to go backwards because I've gone one turn too much in setting up to show you this little film. So we'll go backwards now. So we're going to go 2 full turns and 16 holes. And here we go again. as you can see, it's coming along quite nice. Afterwards I shall have to part it off, and I'll end up with two like this, which is the new gear that I had to buy in the first place, but now I've started to make them. I don't know whether this stuff is Delrin, but it looks pretty much the same. Hopefully it'll be to do the job.